Cricket project from Ivory, Daniela, Segment, and Rolando. Crickets are ectothermic, which is cold-blooded. In hot water, metabolism. In hot water, metabolism speeds up. In cold water, metabolism slows down. In room temperature, in hot water, metabolism speeds up. In hot water, In hot water, metabolism speeds up. In cold water, metabolism slows down. In room temperature, metabolism stays neutral. Our experimental purpose statement is: does CO2 production change in different temperatures? If the environmental temperature is hot, then CO2 production will increase compared to the room. If the environmental temperature is hot, then CO2 production will decrease compared to the room temperature CO2 production that was regulated. If the environmental temperature is cold, then CO2 production will increase compared to the room temperature CO2 production that was regulated. Independent variable environment temperature. Dependent variable, how much CO2 is produced. Control group, crickets and room temperature water. Constants, container that holds the crickets and spider crickets. Blue line is the CO2 production using cold temperature water. Red line is the CO2 production and room temperature water. The purple line is the CO2 production in hot water. In cold environment, crickets' respiration rate decreased because when temperature decreases, molecules have less movement and activity. In warm environment, crickets' respiration rate increased because when temperature increases, molecules have more movement and activities. Crickets are a case strategist. They demonstrate this strategy with stable environment conditions. The importance of enemy attack, reproductive rate of species generally stay the same. Crickets go through 3 stages in life.
Crickets go through 3 stages in life: egg, nymph, and adult. In the egg stage, it starts off with a female laying eggs in soil that's moist and hatch in 10 to 15 days. In the nymph stage, crickets look like adults but smaller and wingless. This stage lasts only between 30 and 90 days. In the adult stage, the cricket matures and gets wings. This stage only lasts between 2 to 3 months.
Grasshoppers, spiders, birds, and cats are in the autotrophs level, which are primary consumers.
Are organisms crickets? Crickets are autotrophs.
We had no mistakes because we took our time and there was no variables outside of our control.